Discover your 81 plus acre country retreat in North Carolina, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. The rolling fields, ponds, trails, and hardwoods offer endless opportunities for fishing, hunting, hiking, and horseback riding. The home has been beautifully renovated with modern touches, including hardwood floors, new lighting and plumbing fixtures, and a stunning kitchen with custom cabinets and quartz countertops. The bathroom have also been fully renovated, and special features like shiplap and wood beams add to the home's charm. Enjoy breathtaking views from the large decks and take in the natural beauty of Copper Sky Farm. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.